Bonjour tout le monde, it's me, Tallulah. I'm back with a video I didn't think I would make or expect. Like, wasn't my last video me saying something along the lines of, I'm never going to make a haul video again, down with consumerism. And yet, here we are. And also, like, have you ever been in one of those moments where like you're just on the verge of being a disaster? Like, that's me right now. Like, my hat isn't like sitting on right. Like, I don't want this veil in front of my face. My wig is about to like fly off and God, I don't even know what's going on. This is just gonna be a quick video. Like, I mean, you know what? The absurdity of my existence right now just seems to be perfect for what this video is. So today I have this package and I am beyond excited, so that's why I just had to film this video. I'm like, I just have no excuses. Like, I need to share this with the world. I didn't expect the item, which is already pretty much in the title of this video, I'm sure, would be coming in a baggie. Like, I really thought it was gonna be a box and that I'll just, I don't know, like the creature will just be like, hello, the instant I opened it. Oh my god. Okay, so I opened the top of the plastic baggie and this is what I'm seeing. Oh my god, open up. Oh what? Oh, there's even a little card. Oh, that's cute. Aw. And yeah, this is it. It's a little rainbow cinnamon roll. No, I'm just kidding. That is not what it is. And look, it has little feet and voila. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Wow, how many times have I said hello? It's along Furby, the only partner in life that I need. Okay, that's not true. I actually really like my friends, but you know, anytime someone's like, when are you gonna get married, when are you gonna have kids, I'll be like, I'm married to this beautiful creature. I mean, hello. Or this beautiful creature is my child. I don't know, whatever suits the narrative, I'll go along with it. But I am so excited. Oh my god, look, you have friends over here. Okay, so you can't see, but I have like a bunch of Furbies to my left. Oh my god, here, I'll bring a Furby into the picture. Come on, little friend. So see, I am so excited. I never thought I would own a long Furby of my own. Like, look at its beautiful little face. Hello, hello. And its long body. Oh my god, I could just like, hold on. How do I am not smart enough for this. Do I look like one of those snake people who like just, I don't know. Like, if you've been to Hollywood, have you seen those people who just have a snake around them and they're like, hey, you can take a picture with it for $5. Like, oh, maybe that should be my side hustle. Like, hey, anyone want to take a picture with my long Furby? That's not true. My long Furby is way too precious for that. I already have a name picked out for them. Their name is Kiss Me Deadly, and it came from a conversation I had with my colleague where I don't know how it came up, but I mentioned something along the lines of Furb femme fatale. I don't know why I wanted to name my long Furby after a femme fatale, but then while like thinking about names, my first instinct was to go with Gilda, but I was just like, you know, I want to call it Kiss Me Deadly. Like, something about them just screams Kiss Me Deadly. So that's what their name is. So this is like the absurdity that is my life. Like, if someone's like, what did you do during quarantine? It's like, this is what I've been doing. This and like having a Furby cult. The way I see it is, I really wanted a pet, couldn't get a pet, so I got the next best thing, which is a Furby, and then it became a clan of Furbies, and then now we have a long Furby. So I hope you enjoyed this haul slash unboxing. What do we even call these things? I just feel like the world is already so absurd with what's going on. Like, why not just add a long Furby to this list of craziness that is the world right now? I am actually really tempted on a Zoom like work call to just like have my long Furby like right there, and I'm like not even in the screen and, you know, just be like, hello. The reason why I say that is because my manager actually got booted off of a Zoom meeting, and then when he came back, like, there was a Pooh plushie right where his like where he was supposed to be, which I thought was really hilarious because I love Winnie the Pooh. I love plushies. I love anything cute. So I'm like, I'm kind of tempted next time I have my one-on-one with him to just like have my Furby. Also, if any of you want more ridiculousness of like me and Furbies, please follow my Instagram. I never thought I would like actually tell people to, you know, follow my Instagram, but it's called Philosophical Furby because it's like a combination of kind of like philosophical text mashed in with like Furby, so it's like kind of like the meme style. So I'll put like an example of it here so you know what I'm talking about, and if you just want more ridiculousness, please follow me there. That is it for this video. I just really wanted to just share with the world how excited I am for, you know, being the proud mama of Kiss Me Deadly. Like, I don't want anyone to kiss me, but I don't mind having Kiss Me Deadly with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing just as much as I did, or like unwrapping. What do you call, whatever. Semantics. That's it. Toodles!